Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see your YouTube subscribers on your mobile. So just a quick note, this guide is going to work on all different types of mobile devices including iOS and Android. So at the moment, you can't actually go and check your YouTube subscribers in the YouTube app or YouTube Creator Studio app. So what we need to do is actually go and open up our browser. So I'm going for Chrome here. So what we need to do is go to youtube.com in our browser. So I'm gonna go there now. So here is youtube.com. I'm just going to tap on it. So here we are. And then once you are on the YouTube website, it's going to ask you to go and use the YouTube app. Just ignore that. And what we need to do is go and request the desktop version of YouTube. You can do this in pretty much all browsers including Android and iOS. So it's going to request desktop website on iOS device or Android. So just tap on these three dots in the top right. And then you can simply tap on this desktop side. And now as you can see, we are now on the desktop website. Now what you want to do is you have to make sure that you have right channel selected that you want to go and check the subscribers of. You can zoom in a little bit so you can see everything clearly. And now you have to tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Then we can go to YouTube Studio and see here. And if your YouTube Studio apps just opens up when you go and tap on it, which happened for me, just go and delete the YouTube Studio app from your phone. And now again tap on this YouTube Studio. This time it will open up in our browser. Then once your YouTube Studio loads, all you want to do is to make sure on the dashboard page of the YouTube Studio. So to do that, you can actually go and pinch and scroll across like this. And make sure you are on the YouTube channel dashboard like this. Then as you can see, we have got this card for recent subscribers, and I can go and tap on see all just like so. And then what it's going to show us the recent subscribers and the date they subscribe. And you can also see the subscribers account, and you can subscribe back to them, and you can go and change the time zone that you are looking at in the top right as well, or the time period. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.